Hello everyone. In this 50-second video, I will explain the data science process to you. Please stay tuned. Define the problem. Work with the business users and analysts to decide what the model should predict and how to know when it is successful. Get the data. Find data sources and get access by storing your data in a lakehouse or database. Prepare the data. Explore the data by reading it from where you store it. Clean and transform the data based on the model requirement. Train the model. Choose an algorithm and hyperparameter values based on a trial and error by tracking your requirements with MLflow. Generate insights. Use batch scoring to generate the requested predictions. As a data scientist, most of your time is spent on preparing the data and training the model. How you prepare the data and which algorithm you choose to train a model can influence your model's success.
I kindly request you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and please like and share our content. You can also show your support by clicking the thanks button below the video. Thank you.